Windows play a major role in how comfortable, quiet, and functional a home feels. Over time, even well-built windows can lose their effectiveness, leading to subtle issues that gradually impact daily living. For homeowners in Mandeville, recognizing the signs that it's time for replacement windows can help prevent ongoing discomfort and protect the overall condition of the home. Noticeable drafts near windows. One of the clearest signs that windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you feel unwanted air movement near your windows, it's likely that seals have worn out or frames are no longer fitting tightly. In Mandeville homes, drafts can make rooms feel uncomfortable and uneven, especially in areas where people spend the most time. Replacement windows help eliminate these air leaks by creating a tighter, more secure seal. Uneven temperatures throughout the home. Windows that no longer perform properly can cause temperature imbalances from room to room. Certain spaces may feel warmer or cooler than others, even when indoor systems are running consistently. Mandeville homeowners often notice these inconsistencies near older windows. Replacing outdated windows helps stabilize indoor temperatures and improves overall comfort. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If they stick, require force, or refuse to stay open, it may indicate frame warping or mechanical failure. In Mandeville homes, struggling with window operation is more than an inconvenience, it's a sign the window's structure has deteriorated. Replacement windows restore smooth, reliable operation and ease of use. Increased outside noise indoors. Windows no longer seal properly, outside noise can travel easily into the home. Sounds from traffic, neighbors, or daily activity become more noticeable indoors. Mandeville homeowners who experience rising noise levels often find that replacement windows help restore a quieter, more peaceful living environment by tightening the barrier between indoors and outdoors. Condensation or moisture buildup. Moisture appearing on or around windows is a sign that insulation or sealing has failed. Condensation can lead to discomfort and potential long-term issues if left unaddressed. In Mandeville homes, recurring condensation indicates windows are no longer performing as intended. Replacement windows help manage moisture more effectively, supporting a drier indoor environment. Fading or damaged window frames. Visible wear on window frames, such as peeling finishes, cracks, or discoloration, can signal aging materials. These issues often worsen over time and affect both appearance and performance. Mandeville homeowners benefit from replacing windows before frame damage leads to more serious structural concerns. New windows refresh the look of the home while improving function. Reduced comfort near window areas. If seating or workspaces near windows feel uncomfortable, the windows may be the cause. Drafts, heat transfer, and poor insulation can make these areas difficult to use. Replacing windows in Mandeville homes often restores comfort near window areas, making the entire room more usable and enjoyable. Rising maintenance demands. Windows that require frequent repairs, adjustments, or sealing can become a constant source of frustration. Ongoing maintenance is often a sign that replacement is the better long-term option. Mandeville homeowners appreciate that replacement windows reduce upkeep needs and deliver consistent performance without constant attention. Outdated appearance that affects the home's look. Windows influence both interior and exterior appearance. Outdated or mismatched windows can make a home feel tired or neglected. Replacing old windows helps modernize the look of Mandeville homes, improving curb appeal and overall style. Knowing when to make the upgrade. Recognizing these signs early allows homeowners to address window issues before they escalate. Replacement windows provide long-term comfort, improved performance, and renewed appearance. For homeowners in Mandeville, replacing aging windows is a practical step toward a more comfortable, quieter, and visually appealing home, one that performs reliably for years to come.